Welcome, dear student. Stay home and obey the rules of health for coronavirus. Use mask and study English at home. I am Mohammad Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpuri School and College, Monirampur, Joshua. Subject English for today for class 8, Unit 7, Lesson 2, topics the mother gods. What do you see in this picture? There are some women are collect pearl oysters in the sea. Usually they are called amadivers in Japan. This is also women are they are divers searching pearl oysters in the sea. Today we are going to learn about the amadivers, Unit 7, Lesson 2. Learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, we will be able to read the text and answer the questions, read about the amadivers and write answer to the questions of the text. Now, at first we learn some keywords. Open your book and match with me. Rare. Yes, these things are very rare. Valuable things. It is called usually made of pearls. Very rare. Rare meaning in Bangla, খুবই কম পাওয়া যায়, খুবই কম, সীমিত. In English meaning scarce, few. Making sentence, high quality pearls are very rare now. Make sentence, high quality pearls are very rare now. Descent. Try to meaning in English, descent. Try, descent. In Bangla, নিচের দিকে আসা. In English, meaning go down. Go down. Try to make sentence. Yes, they are descending to the depth of the river. Hazard. In Bangla, বিপজ্জনক. Meaning in English, dangerous, risky, harmful. Try to make sentence. always avoid a hazardous area. Always avoid the hazardous area. Relax. Try to mean. निर्भर करा. Meaning in English, depend on. Depend on. Next sentence. The weak have to rely on others. Let's read the text and answer the questions. At first we read the text, next answer the questions. Yes, dear student, open your book and match with me. Before the beginning of the 20th century, pearls were obtained from pearl oysters. These oysters were collected from the bottom of the ocean, lake or river. Next, to get enough pearl oysters, free divers were often forced to descend to the depth of the more than 100 feet in one breath. Because of the difficulty of diving pearls at that time, are of different quality as well as very rare. In Asia, some pearl oysters could be found one shows at a depth of 5 to 7 feet from the surface. At times, the divers had to go 40 feet or even up to 125 feet deep to find enough pearl oysters. These deep dives were extremely hazardous to the divers. Next, now read these questions. What is the text about? Where did the people get the pearls from? Now try to answer it. Next, I help you. Now, match with me. What is the text about? What is the text about? Yes. Answer. The text is about obtaining pearls before 20th century. Where did people get the pearls from? Yes. Answer. People got pearls from oysters of the bottom of the ocean, lake or river. Next, now to match your book, I am reading the text and match with me. In some fishing village along the coast of Japan, there are amazing groups of women known as these women work and are still working as ama. The word ama means women of the sea or sea women. They are independent divers. They make their living by diving. They can dive to the depth of the sea up to 25 meters, and they dive without using oxygen tanks or other breathing equipment. Next, the ama divers really own their own skills and breathing techniques. They use their skill and technique to push themselves down to the bottom of the sea and back to the surface again. They can hold their breath for up to 2 minutes. Careful washing, lungs capacity, and hunter insects are the special qualities of ama divers. Next, however, some of these young villagers are going to the city for other jobs. The remaining ama divers are now aged between 50 and 60, but there are still some who continue to dive even at their 70th century. If the young people do not take up ama diving, soon this profession will die out. Next, now read the questions and try to answer. Next, I help you. Why are the ama divers amazing? How deep can the ama divers go down into the sea? What techniques and skill do the ama divers use in diving? Why do you think the young villagers are going to the city? Yes. Now you match your answer with me. Why are the ama divers amazing? Yes, the ama divers are amazing because they do not use oxygen tanks or breathing equipment in diving into the sea. Next, how deep can the ama divers go down into the sea? Yes, answer. The ama divers can go down into up to 25 meters into the sea. What techniques and skills do the AMA divers use in diving? Answer. The AMA divers use their own breathing techniques and skills in diving. Why do you think the young villagers are going to the city? I think the young villagers are going to the city to search for better life and living. Now, evaluation. Where do the AMA divers live? Yes, the AMA divers live in Japan. What is the meaning of AMA? The meaning of AMA is women of the sea or sea women. How deep can the AMA divers go down into the sea? Answer. The AMA divers can go down up to 25 meters into the sea. Now homework. You will write a paragraph on the AMA divers. Dear student, opening school, you must submit your homework. Your English teacher. After finishing this class, you will watch the video in below addresses: www.youtube.com, www.teachers.gov.bd, Connect Kishore Batan, Khulna Online School, Joshua Online School, Virtual Online School, Madhyamik Star Online Shikha Morinampur, Facebook Gopalpur School and College, Facebook Mizanur Rahman. Dear student, wait my next video. See you later. Bye bye.